This is another very nice elevator today, but of course the original 1978 ValmetSchlieren was very amazing. If you have to watch it,
Yeah.
it
was 1973.
okay.
Yeah.
Built by
Yeah.
ValmetSchlieren in 1973.
Yeah, it was without inner doors.
Yeah. Around 2002 by Otis with those 2000 pictures. And the number is VS3475. The new visual number is B1S61228. The capacity is 6 birds of 175 grams. And yeah, you can watch the ValmetSchlieren original from 1978 as well. Oh, there's the map. I can have a look at it.
Yeah.
We are here.
Yeah.
And there's something here.
Yeah.
So that's the one.
Yeah.
Yes, there is one more. In that direction.
Yeah.
I will go and check it. But we'll film this first.
Yeah.
Should here be one full ride maybe because
Yeah.
it was a bit of a small disappointment maybe.
Yeah.
But still important. Still important. Because it's Otis 2000.
Yeah.
You can press that second floor. Yes, it's here in Siilinjärvi, Kuopio region, Finland.
Inspected by device and maintained by Otis, so now describe this.
Ja the Spa Hotel Kunnonpaikka. Yes, that's it. Let's go and check the third elevator. Hopefully it's something.
That's